Exercise 48. Using the supplied, write a program that does the following: reads the file and prints the first 10 passwords whose length is 6 characters. This is just a text file containing some passwords. Now, so first we need to open our file in read mode. This exercise comes after the student has learnt about working with text files. Then we want only 10 passwords, so you need a counter, and we start it off at 0. Then while counter is less than or equal to 10, then we want to read only one line at a time, so we use read line. Password equals file dot readline. Then we check the length. If password, and we want to remove any extra characters, such as the character for a new line that may be at the end, so we strip it. If the length of the stripped password equals 6, then we print it. And we increment our counter by 1. So that should do it. So if we put, it prints them out. These are actual passwords that people use. I got this file from the internet. I've just counted the passwords, and there are 11 of them. We're incrementing our counter after we have already printed. So we can actually check this here. So if we run this, it now prints 10 of them, not 11. Alright. Okay. So if you're finding these lessons useful, or these exercises, please subscribe to the channel. Please also consider signing up for one-on-one lessons at owendevs.com. Thank you for watching.